What was expected to be a huge, kanina, heavy underdogs dito Marikina, let's face it.
Yes, when the game was going to start, yun na iniisip ko eh. Pero tingnan mo naman ngayon, they're up by 6 points already.
And
4 points.
yeah, second and third quarters where they did a lot of damage. Like Cyrus Tabi.
11 points for Cyrus Tabi.
Oh. Isang tres din siya kanina na mabigat. Now pressure here. Nakakuha sila ng steal. Quezon. Abundo sends it to Manzano. Tabi will fire again. Manzano with the offensive rebound and he scores with a
Favorite shot by Manzano. Yung dukot na yun ang pamatay eh.
62-61. Si Basibas, nakuha niya yung loose ball. Mosqueda, is he still hot? Yes, he is! Mainit pa rin!
20 points for Mosqueda.
Abundo, Tabi, Manansala, no. Mosqueda with a rebound. Sidney Mosqueda with an incredible performance here in the preseason invitational and doing it against the reigning South Division champions.
Nagulat din yung Quezon Huskers. Everybody's really being given a chance here. Kaya lahat sila kailangan magpakita eh.
Kaya nga. Pahinga muna si Sidney. Basibas, great fake. Pero may tulak eh. Yung pagtalon ni Lalatag, already nakalusot na siya dun eh.
Hinawi pa niya eh. Medyo may konting hawi. Nakita ng referee.
Really, a couple of good fakes here. Hinabol pa niya.
Oo, hinabol pa niya.
Abate, I'd like to thank ManiPay, the digital wallet built for the community. Manzano to Diego Dario. Giab is right there. 2 free throws coming up para kay Cedric Manzano. Giab says, nakataas na ang kamay ko.
Good pick and roll play by the Quezon Huskers. Diego Dario to Manzano. Bread and butter siguro nila yan sa practice.
Manzano at the line. Got the first one. Timaho against Abate. Cannon. A lot of contact there, but no foul. Cannon takes that ball away from Manzano.
Already with 14 points.
Oh, Giab really doing a great job there.
Inspired basketball game being shown here by the Marikina Shoemasters.
Lander Cannon already with 12. Had 12 points against San Juan actually. Maganda yung pinakita niya dun.
Pero ngayon, 14 points na rin siya.
Oh, pass was behind Lander. Dario takes it strong to the cup using the left hand. It's down to 3, lamang ng Marikina.
Pag nagkaroon ka ng one mistake, sigurado tatakbo sila. Either teams, ha?
Scoto. It's a tough shot. Hirap sila kay Guillaume sa box out, eh, oh.
Oo.
Kahit mas maliit lang. Nakadalawang foul
Offensive,
na siya
oh.
nakuha, eh. On Cañete and then Macaloni. He stepped on the line, Deo Timaho.
Back to the Quezon Huskers. Hindi nila na-expect na ganito yung lalaroin ng Marikina, feeling ko.
Ooh. They're challenging the out of bounds. Oh. Coach Angelo Nebres was right there in the kita-kita niya yung action doon. So,
Kaya niya sinalent.
okay, babalik kami.
Upon review, the challenge was inconclusive. Therefore, the challenge has been nullified. The initial ruling on the floor states ball possession for the Quezon Huskers.
Abate sends it to Hierro. Medina collects the rebound. Stop for Marikina.
But maganda shooting percentage dito ng Quezon. They're shooting 50% against only 38% for the Marikina. Pero lang mga Marikina dito,
Daming attempts, eh. Quezon with a stop. Diego Dario. Abate, Hierro back to Dario. Wide open. We are tied at 67.
good ball movement by the Quezon Huskers, converting that into a three-point shot by Diego Dario. Tabla na tayo dito sa Dev.
Ganda ng laban. Parang hindi preseason. Timaho launches and hits.
Pinawi ka agad. Nakasabi lang natin na tabla na tayo. Pinawi na kaagad. 12 points for that guy.
Stream ang subok at kompleto appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Macaloni tracks down the board. Dario from the corner. Back to back. For Diego Dario, he's up to 10 points.
Ganda ng game. Very exciting ball game here at the Paco Arena. We're only on the pre-season. Sipin mo, pre-season pa lang tayo. Hindi pa ito yung regular season.
And it's nice to see though, players and their teams, and they get into a nice flow.
Building up for the regular season.
Oh, gandang kumpiyansa. No, binalik na si Sidney Mosqueda, the high point man for Marikina. This has been the five that has caused a lot of damage for Marikina. Timaho, Medina, Cannon, Basibas, and Mosqueda. Abate blocked by Lander Cannon.
Medyo nagtataka siya doon. He was trying to look at the referees asking for the foul. And Cyrus Tubby coming back in the ball game.
We're tied at 70. Manzano to Abundo. Dario. That's a foul on Medina.
Long ways to go. 4:38 left in the ball game.
$70 all.
Good pass by
Oh,
Cyrus
lot
Tubby.
of contact there. Bagsak si Manzano at si Basibas. May foul on Basibas. Oh, Oh, 5 na si Basibas.
Mabigat yon para sa Marikina Shoemasters. Starter nila si si Reggie Boy Basibas
Balik si Giap sa laro. Peña Redondo is back on the floor as well.
Medyo lumiit yung Marikina.
$11 points para kay Seth Manzano. The second straight game in the preseason is reached double figures, 2 for 2.
Parang ang dali sa kanya maka-double figures no?
Gabanan and Judel Fuentes, part of the Huskers. Medina looking for Timaho, nakahawak. Itong si Abundo.
Foul. Yeah, foul kay Alvin Abundo.
Wala pa sa penalty ang Quezon. Medina looking for a teammate. Binigay kay Timaho. Deo goes to Mosqueda. 5 on the shot clock. Sidney misses the runner.
Kala ko papasok ulit
Tabi. Manzano inside. Turns around and misses the short stab.
They're going to call a foul against Lalata. Sa positioning, naipit siya so kailangan niya tumulak. Kita ng mga referees. And they're in the penalty, I think.
Yeah, parehong kupunan. Nasa penalty na. Lander Cannon. Another solid game for Lander Cannon. That's the first free throw to drop. (72-71). Oh, hindi sa pangalawa. Masyadong kapos. Lalata. Bumps. Mosqueda, Peña Redondo, open 3. That doesn't go. Last touch to Seth Manzano.
Yes, Marikina will get that ball. Ganda sana nung ikot ng bola
LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Maraming salamat sa LGR. Giap is fouled by Manzano.
And that's they're in penalty. So,
free throw na naman.
Yeah, free throw na naman si Giap.
They're challenging the last foul as well.
Challenge ng Quezon yun. Parang malinis Hindi ko masabi from my angle. Pero, let's see.
Well, Giap clearly initiating the contact. And we will be right back after this challenge.
Upon review, the challenge was unsuccessful. Ball on the floor stays. Foul on number 10, Cedric Manzano, his third foul.
So unsuccessful challenge for the Huskers.
Two crucial free throws for Giap. Misses the first. Kailangan niya
Tavi. They turn the ball over.
sayang yun. Still a lot of ball game ahead. 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining.
Tagal pa yan, coach.
Oo, matagal pa yan. Dami pang pwedeng mangyari.
Timaho looking for a way through. Cannon. Escoto. Cannon inside. Mosqueda open. Nice fake. Sidney. No good. Gia with a Escoto rather. Timaho.
Napaganda pa. Napaganda pa.
Tabi. There's a bump in there and Manzano cleans it up.
Was it a shot or a pass?
Pwede pareho.
Pwede pareho eh, no? It's either an assist or an offensive rebound.
Escoto, Cannon, Mosqueda blocked by Tabi.
Crucial block by Cyrus Tabi. Oh, ano lang siya eh, deceiving siya kasi maliit pero sipag niya sa depensa.
That's Timaho right there. Ganda ng palitan dito. Down the stretch. Mosqueda just threw it up. Gia with a rebound. Blocked by Hierro and the shot clock will expire.
Good stop by the Quezon Huskers.
Two minutes remaining.
Yeah, Joloman Ansala will come in.
And Medina returns for Mosqueda. Final 2 minutes. Manzano against Cannon. Drugay kay Hierro. 3. Yes!
Big shot by Hierro. That's his first converted shot here in the ball game. 3 points for Hierro. Comes in the most crucial part, yung panlamang.
Timaho against Hierro na agaw ni Joshua Hierro.
Big defensive stop there by Hierro. And ano doon is penalty na rin ng Marikina. So Hierro will be given 2 free throws.
Grabe. Out of the double team, ang ganda ng desisyon doon ni Saint Manzano.
Oo.
Hierro trying to extend this lead. One for two para kay Joshua Hierro, and right now it's a 4-point lead para dito sa Quezon Huskers. Bola ng Marikina. When we return, they have called a timeout here. We're back here at the Paco Arena. Thursday night preseason basketball action in the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League, and kala natin laro-laro lang.
Oo nga eh, parang hindi
Sineryoso pala nila.
Hindi, kala ko nga pre-season lang eh.
Ilagan Isabela, 5-star Cowboys set to debut against the Pasay Voyagers. Timaho.
Oh!
Ibang klase ka. Ngayon Timaho.
Grabe.
And the ability to create their own
Yes,
shot
oo.
off the bounce.
Tsaka mahirap yung tinira niya na yun, ha? Mahirap yun.
Hierro. Oh!
Grabe.
7 straight points para kay Joshua Hierro here.
Ilan ang 3 points ang dito sa game na to, overall? Ang dami na eh.
Andyan sa tabi mo. Medina misses. Hierro secures the rebound. Tabi to Manzano. He is trapped. And it's a turnover.
Babalik ang bola dito sa Marikina Shoemasters. good defensive stop by the Marikina Shoemasters.
Ibang klase yung tira ni Deo Timao doon para mababa ang lamang. Pero ang bawi ni Joshua Hierro, another 3. 2 late threes here. Timao to Cannon. Lander takes it and hits.
They're now only down by 2 points.
4-second differential. Game clock and shot clock, both teams in penalty.
And the crowd there is going wild.
May timeout pa ang Quezon. Oy, nakaagaw, Marikina. Timao for the lead. No! Lalata is fouled. And he will be sent to the free throw line.
Ang ganda ng action dito sa Paco Arena.
Sayang. Para kay Deo Timao.
Minadali nila eh.
Well,
Yeah,
it was a great
nila.
shot.
Oo.
It was an open shot. It was a great look.
Kasi ibang story yun. Kung pumasok yun, that's a different story.
Gusto ko rin yung ano dito eh. Yung, alam ko mainit ang aksyon at labanan sa preseason. Pero the players are really just enjoying yung competitive nature nitong laro
Totoo
natin.
yun. Hindi lang yung mga players, also the crowd. Kita mo yung reaction ng crowd.
And Lalata can make this a 4-point game. It's a 2-possession advantage for Marikina, for the Huskers rather. 83-79. Escoto to inbound. Oh, Mosqueda.
Ganda!
Oh, hindi niya natapos. Medina to Deo Timao. Mosqueda. Oh, good catch by Medina. And that's it. That should be it.
I think that's it. That was a forced shot.
Yeah,
Yes.
iba klase yung depensa nila Lata doon sa taas, ha? Lahat yata ng shooter, binantayan yan. Hindi ganyan kahaba, hindi ka rin makatira eh.
Oo.
Maayos pag nandiyan si Chris Lalata.
Tsaka habulin ka talaga nila Lata eh.
Now, this guy right here, Joshua Hierro, that's his 8th point, I think, in the last 3 minutes of all in the 4th quarter.
Yes, tsaka crucial yung dalawang 3 points niya eh. Yun yung nagano talaga eh. Nagbigay ng distance sa sa Quezon Huskers. 9 points for him. Only here, all in the 4th quarter.
Mosqueda will miss. And that will do it. Eh, hirapan at mahirapan kayo sa amin. For the second straight game, it's Cedric Manzano who earns player of the game honors para dito sa Quezon Huskers. He was steady no
Yes.
4th quarter. Ito si Cedric Manzano.
Talagang siya, that's his game eh. Talagang steady lang siya, hindi siya nagpapanik, kalmado siyang player.
From inside baskets, Joshua Hierro though had a